Hey, welcome to the second episode. I got a very nice one to share with you on this episode, and it has to do with insurance. Okay, so when you're buying a home, there are quite a few things that goes into that. Okay, and one of them is insurance. Okay, there are literally a lot of insurance involved. Insurance purchase that's involved in buying a home, depending on what you're using to buy. Depending on if you're purchasing with a mortgage, if you're purchasing with cash, if you're purchasing with a FHA loan or a regular conventional loan. Okay, so a lot of people confuse mortgage insurance premium with homeowners insurance. Okay, and there's also those two kind of happen almost same time, and then there's another one that happens during closing, which is title insurance. Okay, and I'm going to try to tell you the difference between all of them. So mortgage insurance is only usually involved when you're using an FHA loan. Okay, what's FHA loan? So the government have a program called the first time home buyers program, where you don't have to come up with a conventional 20% down payment. Okay, so if you are purchasing a home for $100,000, just for the sake of example, right? If you're purchasing $100,000 home, you will need $20,000, 20% down payment with a conventional loan. But the government has a program called the FHA, usually for first-time home buyers, right, where you only have to come up with 3.5%. Okay, so for $100,000 home, you will need to come up with $3,500. For a $200,000 home, you will need to come up with $7,000 down payment, as opposed to $40,000, 20%, right? So now, to protect the banks, okay, in place of you coming up with a down payment of 20%, when you're using 3.5% for an FHA loan, to protect the bank, they require you to purchase what they call the mortgage insurance. Okay, so you're paying the mortgage insurance premium. Some people call it MIP. That's a type of insurance right there. There's another type of insurance that, regardless of what kind of loan or what kind of medium you're using to pay for the home, that you have to pay for, and that's homeowners insurance. That protects you as a homeowner. Okay, the mortgage insurance protects the lender in case you default, in case you stop paying your mortgage. Okay, in case, because it's a high risk loan, by not taking up to 20% from you for down payment, right? But for mortgage insurance, the mortgage insurance allows, pretty much protects the lender. Okay, just in case you default, so you keep paying that. That's usually rolled into your mortgage payment. Okay, the homeowners insurance is something you pay separately. As a whole, you pay the premium by itself. Okay, that's something that protects you in case something happens to the home, a fire jumped on the house and then burnt it down, or something like that. Something disastrous happens. That's homeowners insurance that you have to pay anyway, regardless if it's advised, even if you're paying cash for the home, it's advisable to have insurance on it. Okay, it's kind of like your car insurance. It doesn't matter if you finance the car or not. It's kind of like I forgot what they call it. It's not the comprehensive one. Okay, the regular one that we used to buy back in the, I forgot the name right now, but pretty much the minimum you're required to have is pretty much the homeowner's insurance. But when you're using FHA, you don't have a choice. You now have to purchase a mortgage insurance premium with that, and that right there, it's included into your mortgage payment. So a lot of time people will say, hey, they told me my mortgage payment was supposed to be $1,200, how come it's now $1,300? That's because you're using an FHA loan, and that insurance is rolled into it right now. And usually they would also escrow your taxes into it. So there's also taxes, a property tax that you have to pay. So they will also, so they call it the PITI, principal, insurance, taxes, and interest. Okay, principal, interest, taxes, insurance. Okay, PITI. Okay, so that's the difference between a mortgage insurance, which protects the lender, and your homeowner's insurance, and that protects you as a homeowner. So hopefully you find that tip enlightening. Yeah, Hopefully you find enlightening, sorry, right? And you find it useful along your real estate journey. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out to us. We also have brand new. The workshop is available right now. You can literally go to homebuyerswebclass.com without the wwws. Okay, we got to figure out the www stuff. Just enter homebuyerswebclass.com. That will take you to registration page, and you can attend a full-blown 60 minutes workshop on the 7 professionals that you need when you're buying a home, and the 15 steps to actually buying a home. That's covered within 60 minutes, and you will find it very, 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 very useful in your real estate endeavors. And hopefully you got some tip out of that. Please help us share it. Spread it out to your friend. Share this with your friends. Even those that may already own homes, they may find this information useful, and would absolutely appreciate that. All referrals are also appreciated. I will see you on the next one. Peace.